equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Thermomix TM31 can sometimes face issues with its potentiometer, which may cause it to malfunction or become unresponsive. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further complications and affect your cooking efficiency. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement potentiometer. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the Thermomix TM31. Once the panel is off, locate the potentiometer, which is typically situated near the control board. Gently disconnect any cables attached to it, taking care not to damage surrounding components. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws securing the potentiometer in place. Once removed, take your new potentiometer and position it where the old one was. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is firmly in place. Reconnect any cables, making sure they are secure and correctly positioned. After reassembling the back panel, plug in your device and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly clean your Thermomix and avoid exposing it to excessive moisture. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.